Greetings, language learners. Today we're diving into common mistakes in the negative form of the simple present tense. Understanding these errors will help you communicate more effectively in English. Okay, so let's explore and learn how to avoid these pitfalls, these mistakes. Forgetting do or does with not. It's incorrect to say she not like ice cream. The correct version is she does not like ice cream. Okay? The next mistake is forgetting the SES or IES back to the base form for third person singular subjects. He, she, and it. Okay? With does not. So it's incorrect to say he doesn't eat meat. The correct form is he doesn't eat meat. The next mistake is incorrect placement of not. So it's incorrect to say she does like pizza not, or she not does like pizza. The correct form is to put not after does. So say she does not like pizza. The next mistake is using don't or doesn't for plural or singular subjects incorrectly. So it's incorrect to say the cat don't like water. No, the correct form is the cat doesn't like water. Or it's incorrect to say they doesn't play volleyball. You should say they don't play volleyball, because don't is for I, you, we, and they, and doesn't is for third person singular subjects and nouns, he, she, and it. The next mistake is leaving out the subject when using contractions. Okay? So it's incorrect to say doesn't like ice cream. Who? Right? The correct form is she doesn't like ice cream, so you should place the subject. Remember this. When using auxiliary verbs, do and does, with not in negative structure, we take the S, ES, or IES back to the base form for the third person singular subjects. Okay? And also make sure to use contractions correctly and place not correctly in the sentence. Okay? That's it. With practice, you can avoid these common mistakes and improve your English grammar skills. And that's all for the common mistakes. Remember, it's important to use do or does with not correctly and to adjust the verb for third person singular subjects. Also, place not in the right spot in your sentence and use contractions properly. Practice these tips and your English will get better and better. And thank you so much for learning with us today. Keep up the great work and see you in the next video.